इज अ ग्रेट राइटर और उन्होंने इतनी सिंपल चीजें इस पोएम में बताई है दैट दे विल surely make us happy. So are you all excited to study? But before that we are going to learn the new words. So we have only three, right? So let us do it fast. Okay, so now the first word is patch. What do you mean by a patch? Here in this poem, the patch means a small piece of land, right? What is patch? A small piece of land. Nook. What is nook? Quiet and small corner, right? When you're hiding, right? When you're playing hide and seek, आप बिल्कुल एकदम quiet corner में जाके छुप जाते हो ना? That is called nook. जहाँ पर बिल्कुल भी शोर ना हो रहा हो और बिल्कुल एकदम शांत जो कॉर्नर होता है जहाँ कोई आता जाता नहीं, उसको क्या कहते हैं? nook. Bounces, moves away from the surface after hitting it. Bounces, moves away from a surface after hitting it. When you throw a ball, right, a rubber ball on a ground, तो कैसे bounce करती है ऊपर उस surface को, ground को hit करने से, उसको क्या कहते हैं? Bounces. You can use the word bounce for ball, right? When a ball hits the ground, it bounce back. वो bounce back करती है, that is, it moves away from the surface. एकदम hit करके ऊपर आती है ना? और कभी high भी जाती है, कभी ज़्यादा नहीं जाती, right? So you play with the ball, so you know the word bounce. So we have only three new words here. First one is patch, a small piece of land, right? छोटा टुकड़ा land का. Nook, a quiet and small corner. And third word is bounces, that is moves away from the surface after hitting it. Now we are going to start our poem. So please take out your books and we are going to learn the poem, These Simple Things. But before going to the poem, I want to tell you something that what you like most, right? आपको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद है ना? बहुत सारी हम डे टू डे लाइफ में चीज़ें करते हैं जो हमें पसंद है. किसी को someone likes to play with their friends, someone likes to just sleep, right? Someone likes to watch TV, someone likes to play video games, right? There are different things, right? And sometimes what happens, बच्चों में ये ज़रूर होता है, when our friend have something and we don't have, then we think, oh, मेरे पास तो ये वाला doll है ही नहीं. I don't have that house. I don't have doll house. तो मैं happy कैसे हो सकती हूँ, है ना? और I don't have the cricket bat. मेरे पास तो बैट है ही नहीं. I have a small plastic bat. I don't have a wooden bat. ऐसा हम कंपेयर करते हैं और हमको लगता है कि अगर हमको वो बड़ी बड़ी चीजें या कॉस्टली खिलौने या बहुत अच्छे कपड़े या बहुत अच्छे फैंसी पेंसिल्स वगैरह मिलेंगे, then only we can be happy. But here our poet, right, Ruskin Bond, what he is trying to tell us that we can be happy with smaller things, right? जो छोटी चीजें हैं, जो simplest things है, that can make us happy, right? So there is no need for us to run behind these materialistic things or you can say costly things. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. One thing we have to learn from this poem is we have to learn to be happy with small things. And here he has given examples which you will definitely like, right? आपको जरूर लगेगा कि हाँ यार ये तो चीज करने से मुझे अच्छा लगता है ना? So first of all, I am going to read the poem for you and you will read with me and then I will explain the poem. Okay? So here is This Simple Things. Now the poem starts. The simplest things in life are best. A patch of green, a small bird's nest, a drink of water fresh and cold, the taste of bread, a song of old. These are things that matter most. The laughter of a child, a favorite book, flowers growing wild, a cricket singing in a shady nook, a ball that bounces high, a summer shower, a rainbow in the sky, the touch of loving hand, and the time to rest. This simplest thing in life are best. So our writer Ruskin Bond, what he want to say, that the simplest thing in this world are the best, right? हमारे लाइफ में जो बहुत छोटे-छोटे experiences हैं, small things that we experience or without cost, right? These are the most important things also, right? ये हमारे लिए important भी है and these are the things which gives us most of the happiness in our life. So we should be right thankful, right? हमको thankful होना चाहिए और हमको इन सारी चीजों को appreciate करना चाहिए. We should not run behind the, you can say, the costly things और बहुत सारी material. देखो the poet want to say that बहुत सारी चीजें लाइफ में ऐसी होती है. If I have a new jacket, suppose I have brought a new jacket, कल मैं मार्केट में देखूंगी I'll get a better jacket, right? फिर मुझे लगेगा अरे वो वाला जैकेट मेरे पास होता, then I must be happy. उसी तरह if I bring a toy, right? Today I have brought a toy, right? अब मैं उससे बहुत खुश हूँ, I'm happy, I'm playing with it. 1 week मैंने बहुत अच्छे से उसके साथ खेला. उसके बाद मैंने अपने फ्रेंड के पास बहुत बड़ा टेडी बियर देखा, तो क्या होगा? मुझे लगेगा कि oh I want that teddy bear. If I have that teddy bear, then I can be very very happy. तो बेटा ये जो प्रोसेस है, this is endless process because we cannot have all the things, but we should be thankful. हमको thankful होना चाहिए कि हमारे पास जो है वो बेस्ट है, right? और जो simple things है वही हमको सबसे ज्यादा खुशी देती है. So I am going to explain the first stanza now. The simplest things in the life are best. So what the poet is saying that जो बिल्कुल simplest है, see simplest is the superlative form of the degree, that is simple. Simplest things in the life are best. जो हमारी simplest thing है वो हमारी life में सबसे best है. और क्या example दिया है? What are the example? A patch of green. Now patch, what is patch? We have already discussed. A patch is a land, right? A land, a small piece of land. A patch of green, what does it means? कि एक ऐसा land जहाँ पर बिल्कुल सारी जगह grass है. Suppose you get to play on such ground जहाँ पर बिल्कुल सारी green एकदम grass है बिल्कुल, तो वो कैसा लगेगा? मजा आएगा? कैसे लगेगा उसे देखने में? वहाँ आप कूदने लगोगे जब wow beautiful land, you will feel excited, you will feel happy, right? A small bird's nest. Have you seen a nest? कभी nest देखा है? कितना excitement हुआ है जब मैंने first time nest देखा था. I was so happy और मैंने अपने brother, mother सबको बुला दिया था और कहा था कि wow beautiful nest, and there were small eggs in it. So have you seen it? This is very beautiful and it looks beautiful. कभी देखा है? I'm sure that आपको भी same feel हुआ होगा, है ना? जैसा मुझे फील हुआ था. बहुत अच्छा लगता है नेस्ट को देखना और उसमें छोटे से एग है, एंड if you are lucky you can see the chicks too, right? So this is also a thing in the life that makes you happy. A drink of water fresh and cold. जो बहुत गर्मी लगती है या आप बिल्कुल थके हुए हो and then you are drinking a cold glass of water, right? तो कैसा फील होता है? Oh my God, satisfaction, right? So a glass of water, right? A glass of cold water can also make you happy. और उसकी प्लेस में कोई और दूसरी ले भी नहीं सकता. Suppose you are tired and you are thirsty, right? और तब आपको अगर जूस भी दे दूँ ना मैं, फिर भी you will like the water most, right? So a glass of water is the simplest thing, right? जो हम दिन में कितनी बार पीते हैं, but this is the thing that makes us happy, and this is also a very important thing. Then the taste of bread. Now here the taste of bread means the taste of, you can say, the poet wanted to say the simple food we eat. Suppose we go to a hotel, right? We like, सबको होटल जाके रेस्टोरेंट जाके अच्छा खाना पसंद है ना? But if you have given the food every day, वही होटल का खाना खाना पड़े, then you will know the value of simple food. The simple bread, जो आप रोटी सब्जी घर पे खाते हो, उससे जो सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है, जो मम्मा के हाथ के खाने का सेटिस्फेक्शन है, वो कहीं नहीं मिल सकता, right? So that is the happiness when your mother cooks for you the simple food, vegetable, roti, dal, chawal. That is the happiness. A song of old, right? A song of old मतलब कि ऐसा कोई भी पुराना एवरग्रीन सॉन्ग जो सुनते ही मजा आ जाता है. जैसे कि 26 जैन होती है, 15 जनवरी होती है या 15 अगस्त होती है, तो चलते हैं ना गाने, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, राइट? तो सब खुश हो जाते हो, राइट? सो देयर आर सम सॉन्ग्स, ओल्ड सॉन्ग जो हमें खुशी देते हैं. हमने इनको कितनी बार भी सुनी है. वी हैव हर्ड देम मेनी टाइम्स. इवन व्हेन वी हियर इट, इट मेक्स अस हैप्पी. सो अ सॉन्ग ऑफ ओल्ड. These are the things that matter most. So these are the little things. A ground, right? A patch of green land where we can play. The bird's nest. That is, you can say, अगर birds bird's nest है that is symbolizing the beauty of the nature, right? जो beautiful things है nature में, वो सब हमको क्या करती है, happiness देती है. A cold water, a drink of water or a glass of water, the taste of bread, जो मम्मा के हाथ का सिंपल खाना है, सिंपल खाना है, उसका टेस्ट nothing can match it. A song of old, पुराने evergreen गाने, लकड़ी की काठी, काठी का घोड़ा. There are so many songs, even I like them. When I was young, I used to like that, and now even you like that. So these are some songs, ऐसे songs हैं जो हमेशा सबको पसंद आते हैं, right? These are the things that are the matter or that matter most. Now we'll go for the second stanza. The laughter of a child. So if have you seen a child or anyone smaller than you, right? Even you are a child, but if you see a small baby or a small child who is laughing, oh my God, कितना अच्छा लगता है, हमें भी स्माइल करने का मन करता है, right? So laughter of a child, a favorite book. अगर आपको कोई आप आराम से हो और आपको कोई favorite book दे दे, suppose a story book or a fairy tale book, तो कितना अच्छी लगती है वो book. So that is the happiness. Flowers growing wild. Now here flowers growing wild. What does it mean? जब flowers grow करते हैं बिल्कुल fullest to the fullest, right? जब आपने if you have seen any rose when it grows, right, in flying colors, then it looks so beautiful. So that thing that makes us happy. Have you seen a full grown or full blown flower? It looks beautiful. A cricket singing in a shady nook. Now here cricket. Cricket is a type of insect, right? It makes some noise. So when a cricket is making noise, it seems to be singing. जब वो आवाज निकालता है तो ऐसा लगता है he's singing in a shady nook. Nook, we have already discussed that. Nook is, what is nook? A corner, a silent corner. बिल्कुल शांति एक corner में वो sing कर रहा है. So that voice makes us happy. A ball that bounces high. Suppose you and your friend is playing with a ball. When you hit the ball on the ground and if it bounces so high, how will you feel? It will be very exciting, right? You will feel a joy, right? That the ball has bounced. So this simple thing, एक ball भी हमको कितना खुश कर सकती है. And I hope you will try this, right? A rainbow in the sky. Have you seen a rainbow? It looks so beautiful. It gives a satisfaction, a calmness. जब हम rainbow देखते हैं sky में, it gives us a very beautiful. It looks beautiful and it gives us happiness. The touch of loving hand. और जब हमसे कोई प्यार करने वाला, हमारी मदर या हमारे फादर, हमारी ग्रैंडमदर, ग्रैंडफादर, जब हमें प्यार से टच करते हैं, अच्छा लगता है ना. रोता रोता बच्चा भी ना ठीक हो जाता है. अगर सपोज यू वर प्लेइंग एंड यू गॉट हर्ट, घर पे रोते रोते मम्मा लगा दी, and then when your moms touch you, then what you feel relaxed, right? So that hand, that touch of your mother or your loved one, वो हमारे लिए बहुत happiness है सबसे ज़्यादा. You feel safe with your mother. And the time to rest. और जब आपको time मिलता है rest करने के, suppose you have worked a lot, you have been working, you have been studying, पूरे दिन पढ़ाई की और बाद में जब आपको time मिलता है rest करने के लिए, right? You can rest, you can have peace, you can sleep. So that is also a very important thing and that gives happiness in our life. So there are so many people who are running behind success और वो उनके पास बिल्कुल rest का भी time नहीं है. They sleep 2 hours, 3 hours and they are working like nuts, right? तो उनके लिए जब time of rest मिलता है या हमको जो time of rest हमको मिल रहा है, that is important, right? So we should not ignore it. हमारी जो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, these simple things in life are the best. So what the poet is saying, that the ground, a green ground where we can play, full of grass, birds' nests, that is the nature around us, a water, bread, old song, a child's laughter, favorite book, flowers, then the songs that a cricket made, ball, bouncing, shower, a summer shower. So have you taken shower in the summer? गर्मी कितनी होती है. In Jodhpur we have, there is temperature is so high. So when we take a shower of a cold water in a summer day, so that is bliss, right? बहुत मजा आता है. So that is happiness. A rainbow in the sky, touch of a loving hand, and time to rest. So these are the things. और ये हम सबके पास है, right? So इसका मतलब तो ये हुआ कि we are the happiest, right? So what the poet want to say चीजें हैं, दे आर सो सिंपल एंड दे आर कॉस्ट भी उनका कुछ नहीं लगता, बट दे आर द थिंग्स दैट मेक्स अस हैप्पी द मोस्ट। और ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, बट वी इग्नोर देम, हम ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं। हमको लगता है कि हमारे पास बड़ी कार है, या इफ वी हैव अ बिग हाउस, or if we are studying in a very big school, or we have costly clothes या costly toys हो, तभी हम happy हो सकते हैं। No बेटा, the simple thing, the simple living, that is the best, right? It is good to have good things, but हमको सारी चीजें कभी नहीं मिल सकती, right? We should keep on trying, but we can be happy with these things too, and we should not ignore that. This is what our Ruskin Bond wants to say. So this is all for today. You have to read the poem 2 times and try to write the keywords 2 times in your copy. This is all for today. I hope you like the book and you will going to appreciate what you have. So please be happy. Okay, and smile always. Thank you.